Dolly, ang kasama natin today, ang napakagwapo pa rin, na balladeer. Kilabot pa rin ng ng mga...
Matrona.
Matrona. Shariel Rivera.
Hello. Hi,
Welcome
Dolly.
to Paparazzi. Hello, Dolly.
Thank you for...
Balita ko, magiging kapatid ka na rin.
Yes.
Oh, so it's official.
Yes, it is official. Starting this week.
You'll be doing a show with
With Uge. With Uge. It's called Inday Wanda.
Ano mong role mo dito? Leading man ka ba ni Uge dito?
Yeah. I play the father of Ella. Parang she starts to work for me as Yaya, Nani. And yun, along the way, we get to know each other. It's a sitcom, so and something I'm excited about.
So, hindi ka nakapuso? Kasana naging dalawang puso mo.
Oh.
Pero hindi mo kanta yun.
No, hindi kita.
Kamusta na si Jelly and your...
She's doing well. She's doing well. Very busy with work. And the kids, kasi mag-uumpisa na school. So pareho na kami preparing for school.
I heard na wala pala kayong yaya. You mean all these years, talagang kayo ang
Never.
hands-on kayo?
Never kami nagkaroon ng yaya. To this day, kami ang hatid sundo sa mga bata. Yeah.
Parang naman kayo may superpowers. How do you do that time management? Both of Jelly and you are so busy.
It's passion for your kid and talagang dedication and love and lahat na. Sakripisyo talaga.
Mapunta naman tayo sa career mo. If given a choice, what did you give up? Acting or singing? Or love mo to pareho?
I like to do both. I like the...
But you were known first as a singer.
Yes. I like the fact that I have the option to do either one. I like to do both.
Saka mas na-challenge?
Mas challenging ang singing. Madaling umarte.
Talaga?
It's very... Anybody can act. Anybody can act, but not everybody can sing. Pag wala kang boses, talagang hindi ka maging singer. Gagaling ka, pero...
So you believe that singers are born, not made?
Yes.
So may mga singers ba tayo dyan na walang karapatan kumanta?
Marami.
Like who?
Marami.
Code. Initials.
Marami.
I heard also na kung pwede lang, ayaw mo daw ni-revive ang mga kanta mo. Totoo ba?
No, that's not what I said. Sinabi ko, I don't like to revive songs. For me, unang-una, ang gagaling ng mga songwriters natin sa Pilipinas. So hindi natin sila na ma-maximize, hindi natin sila natatap. Pangalawa,